Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako nga po pala si Angela Janagner at welcome po sa aking 365 Daily Devotion ni Pastor Russell Ocampo, Seminar Edition. At ngayong araw po ay October 20, 2025 at ang topic po natin ngayong araw ay 24 hours. Bakit kailangan mo rin magpahinga? And yung scripture po natin ngayong araw is Exodus chapter 20 verse 11. And yung po dito sa ating concept na 24 hours day. The 24 hours day view teaches that God created the world in 6 literal consecutive days, with yung day meaning a normal day, joined with evening and morning. And this week of creation, God made all things: light, sky, land, vegetation, heavenly bodies, birds, sea creatures, animal, and mankind. On the seventh day, he rested, blessing the Sabbath. This view affirms God's authority, His words, truth, and the godness of creation. And yung sabi po dito sa ating scripture na Exodus chapter 20 verse 11, sapagkat sa loob ng 6 na araw ay ginawa ng Panginoon ang langit at lupa, ang dagat at lahat ng naroroon, at nagpahinga sa 7 araw. Kaya't binasbasan ang Panginoon ang araw ng Sabat at ginawang itong banal. And sabi po dito sa ating teaching, 24 hours view. First, God created all things in the first week of creation. Ito po yung teaching po natin ngayong araw. Ito po yung parang paano ginawa o ilang araw ginawa ng ating Panginoong Diyos yung mga creation na ginawa niya. First is God created all things in first week of creation. Sabi po dito na yung ating Panginoong Diyos ay ginawa lahat ng creation in the first week of paggawa ng creation. All things is create. And teaching number 2, God can do all things possibly or instantly. Sabi po dito na yung ating Panginoong Diyos ay kaya niya pong gawin lahat and ng mabilisan, instantly. Na pag sinabi lang niya or nagustuhan niya na yun, is gagawin niya yun instantly. And teaching number 3, God rested on the 7th day, Sabbath day. Sabi naman po dito na yung ating Panginoong Diyos is nagpahinga on the 7th day, kaya meron lang tayong 6 literal consecutive days. And the 7th days is the normal day, evening and morning on the week of creation. Yan po. Na yung rested of the 7 days, ito yung tinatawag na Sabbath day. Na He's rested, blessing the Sabbath. Yan. And application number 1, believe that God can do all things by His command. Sabi po dito na apply po natin sa sarili natin or sa life natin, tayo maniwala na yung ating Panginoong Diyos ay kayang gawin lahat ng gusto niyang gawin by His command. And application number 2, have faith in God's power and sovereign decision. Sabi po dito na apply po natin sa sarili natin or sa life natin na magkaroon tayo ng faith in God's power, pati na rin po sa kanyang sovereign decision. And application number 3, trust God wisdom by taking a Sabbath regularly. Sabi po dito na apply po natin sa sarili natin or sa life natin, tayo ay magbigay lagi ng pagtitiwala sa ating Panginoong Diyos, lalo na wisdom na tayo ay magtitaking ng Sabbath day regularly. And lang po nga araw. Maraming salamat. God bless.